The NBA is one of the leading sport leagues in the world. Its players get paid really well, including Kevin Durant. With the fortune he has amassed, we wanted to find out how he spends his money and what type of lifestyle he leads. This is what we found out. Here is Kevin Durant's net worth, lifestyle, and how he spends his millions. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the new videos we post. Who is Kevin Durant? Kevin Wayne Durant was born in Washington, D.C. on September 29, 1988. Durant is the son of Wayne Pratt and Wanda Durant. He grew up with his family in Prince George's County, Maryland. After playing basketball for 2 years at Oak Hill Academy, he transferred to Montrose Christian School. At the end of the year, he was named the Washington Post All-Met Basketball Player of the Year, as well as the Most Valuable Player in 2006. He is a professional basketball player for the Brooklyn Nets. He played 1 season of college basketball at the University of Texas and was selected as the 2nd overall pick by the Seattle Supersonics in the 2007 NBA Draft. He played 9 seasons with the franchise, which became the Oklahoma City Thunder in 2008, before signing with the Golden State Warriors in 2016, winning back-to-back championships in 2017 and 2018. Kevin Durant actually started his early career by playing Amateur Athletic Union in Maryland. Durant has had several relationships throughout his life. These include LaToya Luckett Walker, but this is just a rumored relationship from December 2011 to October 2012. Monica Wright was from January 2013 to July 2014. Jasmine Shine in September 2014. Joey Chavez was a rumor in March 2015, and April Jones in 2017. Currently, he is possibly single. He has no children. This basketball player has 18.8 million followers on Twitter. His most outstanding career milestones are NBA Draft 2007, chosen for Oklahoma City Thunder 2008, Deep Playoffs 2010, Olympic gold medalist 2012, MVP season 2013, NBA Most Valuable Player 2014, Free Agency 2016, Back to Championship 2016, and NBA Champion 2017. Durant re-signed with the Warriors in 2018. His sponsorship deals have also been very lucrative. His contract with Nike itself got him a whopping $60 million. In 2014, the star signed another 10-year endorsement deal with Nike worth over $300 million. He also signed with Shoe Line and earns the company the 3rd most revenue after Michael Jordan and LeBron James' offering. Overall, he makes an additional $35 million annually through sponsors like Beats by Dre, Alaska Air Group, Google, and Gatorade. Now take a look at his spending. How much is Kevin Durant worth, and how does he spend his money? As of 2021, Kevin Durant's net worth is approximately $170 million. Making him one of the richest basketball players in the world alongside LeBron James and Stephen Curry. Kevin Durant someday wants to own his own basketball team as well. We went looking to find out how he lives his life. Real estate and renting. In 2016, Durant became a free agent. He rented an upscale mansion in the Hamptons to proceed with the trade dealings and take meetings with prospective suitors. The venue was 7,400 square feet, and for $15.5 million, he rented it for just 10 days. His real estate portfolio is worth $30 million today. After signing with the Nets in 2019, he sold his 3,423 square foot Broad Beach Malibu mansion for $12.15 million, which was a $100,000 profit. Now, his 9,084 square foot Oklahoma City mansion is up for sale at $6 million. 35 Ventures and other investments. Kevin Durant and Rich Kleiman's 35 Ventures has joined forces with New York esports organization Andbox as investors and creative partners. 35 Ventures plans to work closely with Andbox on new merchandise, product releases, content creation, tournament hosting, and more, in a partnership with Kleiman called A No-Brainer. Durant's passion for gaming and the two companies' shared stage of New York influenced the business decision. Then, 35 Ventures announced in May 2019 that it would be an equity partner in Master and Dynamic, an audio company known for producing high-quality headphones that feature high-standard materials and a high level of sound quality. Kevin's list of investments include Postmate, Robinhood, Acorns, Skydio, Coinbase, Yoshi, Caracap, Rubik, JetSmarter, Hugging Face, Whoop, Peology, and Lime. He even has investments in restaurants. The diversity of his portfolio is impressive. Durant knows how to not keep all his eggs in one basket. An interesting fact is that Durant became a delivery guy for Postmates for a day before investing $15 million in the company. This type of commitment is rare, but so are people like Durant. Durant. We hope that Durant makes a pretty penny from those ventures and that he spends the money on things worthwhile. Furthermore, he even produced a documentary, Basketball County in the Water. Being an avid gamer, Kevin also contributes to the NBA 2K game development. Plus, he is a part owner of the Philadelphia Union Soccer Club. He has a 5% stake in the organization with an option to up his stake to 10%. Kevin Durant even runs a Spotify podcast named Etc. with KD, Kevin Durant's Cars. This man has a collection to become envious over if you like cars. He owns a $200,000 Ferrari California that he likes to drive. His other prized possession is a $200,000 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG that says more about who he is. Next in the lineup is a $35,000 Camaro SS. This car looks like a Batmobile. Whatever, it looks cool. The rest of this list includes a $100,000 Cadillac Escalade, $117,000 Range Rover, $65,000 Jeep Wrangler, and a $46,000 Lincoln Continental. But the one that stands apart from the rest, and is in another league, is the $32,000 GMC van, a home on wheels. Charity. Kevin Durant is passionate about basketball, and that love goes beyond the NBA. He owns the Kevin Durant Charity Foundation. With this nonprofit organization, he takes care of young children's academics and also helps with basketball court renovations, basketball camps, and offering STEM programs. He recently donated his 21st basketball court to a Brooklyn-based school. Kevin Durant clearly cares about the less fortunate and regularly gives money away to charitable causes. He donated $10 million 2 years ago to help children in his native Prince George County, Maryland, attend college. The money, which was donated through his charitable foundation, created the first college track program on the East Coast to improve college entry rates for children from low-income families and first-generation college students. His charity does not stop there. Other charitable contributions include a $57,000 donation for private school Positive Tomorrows to build a new school for homeless children in Oklahoma City. Durant is a former member of the Oklahoma City Thunder and probably still feels a connection with the city. He also made a $1 million gift to the Red Cross for tornado relief work in the area. As a former Texas Longhorns player, Durant recently gave the University of Texas a $3 million donation to help strengthen the school's basketball program. Durant's clothing style. Kevin Durant is always dressed stylishly according to his taste, and since he has a professional image to uphold, his clothing does not come cheap. Kevin Durant has shown that it's all about no-frills pieces that can take on an assortment of different looks when worn with other style pieces. Like the bomber jacket, for example. Durant usually wears one with a host of neutral color palettes and pairs it with low-profile tees and skinny jeans. While items from Durant's wardrobe do not necessarily jump out at you right away, look a little closer and you'll see they're coming from really high-end brands like Amiri, especially when it comes to denims. Sporting a neutral color palette and simple wardrobe makes it relatively easy to make his footwear take center stage. Kevin Durant keeps it simple in this area as well, wearing key styles like the Jordan 1, Flyknit trainer, and even the Cortez. However, he seems to prefer colorways above the aforementioned. For example, he was seen wearing an all-black tee, jeans, and shoes in an easy tactic to layer in whatever color of jacket he's feeling like that day. Is orange the most popular color these days? Incorporating camo into his wardrobe is a guaranteed way to let his style stand out, and Kevin Durant often wears camouflage outfits. It's pretty much considered a neutral color, and we think it is a great pattern to pair with footwear essentials like Jordan 1s and Air Force 1s. No stranger to the affinity for BAPE. Kevin Durant has also made appearances with his fair share of this camouflage pattern in just about every color tone they offer. Kevin Durant's style might be straightforward, but it's still pretty special. And the best part about it, for the less wealthy, is that it's actually not that hard to mimic. Even though Kevin is a representative of the more high-end brands like Amiri, Off-White, Bape, and Vlone, the versatility of each of these pieces make it pretty simple to mix them up to create different looks. Durant's wardrobe is inspiring from the perspective that you don't actually need to have a lot of the popular styles from lesser-known brands, but you can have the same labels while only requiring a few pieces. How about that for copying Durant's style? The pieces in his wardrobe are not only of higher quality, but they are also timeless, which means you can wear them longer with fewer challenges to spring clean your wardrobe. Alejandro, Kevin Durant is one of the best players in the NBA and has the moolah to prove it, including the records. In his career, he sunk over 8,000 field goals. These include over 1,600 three-pointers and 6,300 two-pointers. He averages 27.1 points per game, which makes him indispensable to any team. At the age of 32, Durant still has a few years of basketball left in him, which means we will still get to see a lot of his magic. That is a fantastic thing to look forward to, as he is truly a crowd pleaser. I am done for today. Thank you for showing up, and we are looking forward to having you back. Stay safe.